Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about the square root. So now I want to show you how to answer. So because they are under the square root, so this one multiplied by this one. So number 3 and number 5 we can put like this because they are in the same base S and S. Number 2 with number 8 we have 16. So the square root of number 16 we have number 4. This one that is about S to the power of number 4. Number 3 and number 4 we have number 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.